Morganina. Who took your caramel apple?
The ants!
And the ants took your caramel apple?
Yeah.
What did they do with it?
They ate it.
They ate it? How big are the ants?
They're little.
They're little? Why are you jumping? It's hard to take a picture of you when you're jumping.
When I'm hopping on my yacht.
Oh.
Like the little young stars.
Oh. So the ants ate your caramel apple? Well, how did the ants get the caramel apple?
They ate it and smashed it into the ground. Everything, and I was mad.
You were?
Yeah, the ants ate it.
Well, why did you leave it outside?
Because they ate it. Because I'm talking to Mama about the ants. Mommy, I
What?
told you my caramel apple was outside and the eggs ate it. Like this.
They ate it like that?
Yeah.
Those seem like some pretty crazy ants. I love you.
Tyler,
All right.
the ants ate my caramel apple. I want to borrow yours, Tyler.
No, you're not eating Tyler's caramel apple because you lost yours. We'll make caramel apples later, okay?
Ah.